how to add another profile to Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page. Go right here, click on those three dots and go down, choose settings right here. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here and click on this add profile right here. Now click add, and as you can see, you will be able to add a profile from here. You can sign in to sync data or start without your data. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.